Do you want to change the vertical or horizontal aspect ratio of your photos or videos in CapCut? We'll show you how to resize and customize the format of your CapCut frame, whether you're using an iPhone or Android, or a Windows PC or Mac. To resize your CapCut content from your iPhone or Android, launch the app and open up any project that you want to change the format. And first of all, make sure you haven't selected the file, otherwise you won't get the option. Now swipe left the bottom options to find aspect ratio. Tap on it. Including the TikTok format, you can just go ahead, try out all the formats one after another to choose the one that best suits you. You'll see the difference on the screen at the top. You can also resize it by swiping or pinching 2 fingers on the screen. When you're done, just tap on the stick button to save it. Your aspect ratio is selected. However, if you're using CapCut from your computer or PC and want to change the aspect ratio of your project, after importing, drag your project into the timeline. To change the format, just click on this ratio button. Starting from the classic 16:9, you can try out all these options one after another and view the change in every aspect ratio into the screen. And apart from all this, you can also custom select some settings according to your own preference and then apply it to your content. You can also click on the photo and drag your cursor to reposition the frame as well. So these are the ways you can change the aspect ratio of your CapCut video. Thanks for watching.